Hi guys, it's attorney Ann Fong and this is what you need to know. Today we're going to talk about what happens if you don't pay your auto insurance. Now I can't express this enough how many phone calls I get from people who tell me they've been in major accidents and then the last thing they say is, oh yeah, by the way, I didn't have auto insurance. And it's so sad for me to hear that because then there's really not much we can do. So make sure you set your auto insurance on like auto pay if you can. It's not something you can have that happen and be like an oopsie, okay? So let me give you some examples of the ramifications of driving a car without auto insurance. So if you don't have insurance and someone hits you, let's say it's their fault. They have insurance. However, if you're injured, you could still recover, but it's limited. It's something called Prop 213. And what that means in California is that if you are driving without auto insurance and you get injured, then you're limited in your recovery. And what you're limited to is you're paying your medical bills and your lost wages. So your what we call special damages. And you do not get the extra money for pain and suffering, which a lot of times makes up what we recover for you when you get involved in an auto accident. Now, the other scenario is, of course, let's say you get hit and the person doesn't have insurance, you don't have insurance, well then you're screwed. And that's like a really shitty position to be in. So please make sure that you guys make sure your auto insurance is paid, okay? Thank you.